Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day part of my 14 days of love. Hi! Hugs and kisses! Mwah! This was not the look that I planned to do for what I call my XOXO look, but I actually really like the way that it came out because this is a classic red lip and just like, you know, not feeling like putting on lashes type of look, and this little cute little XO was just to kind of give it some badass looks. So this is the look that I have for you guys today. This is a look that I do pretty often with a red lip if I want to look really put together. Obviously minus my cute little XO tattoo here, or OX, because I think we're flipped around here. Yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys like it, and if you want to learn how to get this really put together simple Valentine's Day makeup, then please keep on watching. Hello you guys. So we're starting off with our primers. I'm using the illuminating primer from Cover FX and then the blur stick from Milk Makeup, and then going to use my Studio Skin foundation from Smashbox. Yes, I know it's too tan. Let me live a little bit. Let me feel like I came back from Florida and I got a nice beautiful tan here. Let me live. Thank you. Now I'm going to move on to my concealer. This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer from NYX. I believe the color I'm using is number 3, and I'm just going to blend that all over my face. I did go a little overboard with it just because the foundation was very tan. I'm then going to set everything with my milk powder. I did go a little too low with the milk powder. As you saw, I pushed it into the skin a little too low. Sometimes when I do this technique with my powder, the foundation and the way the powder mixes with the foundation is it almost like sets it a little too much, and if I don't set all of my like foundation the same exact way, like either with a brush or with a sponge, then the blush specifically usually comes out really weird. So here's me looking a little confused for a second, and then I'm going to put on my blush, and I did skip the part where the blush looked really ruined, but you can kind of tell a little bit. It looked a little like you could see where it went on top of the powder and where it went on top of the more like liquid part of the foundation. But anyways, I'm moving on to the rest of my face. I did use the Natural Love palette from Too Faced for bronzer and blush, and then I applied Thrive Cosmetics to my brows, curled my lashes, we sprayed some Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, and then we're applying some highlighter. I did apply the bronzer to my my crease of my eye, and then the highlighter is on the inner corners, brow bone, and obviously on the highlight areas. For mascara, I wanted to use like a primer mascara, which is what I did with the Urban Decay primer mascara, then the L'Oreal mascara on top. And for the lips are super simple. I use a MAC liquid, a MAC lip liner, and then the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint, which is my favorite go-to red lip. Then I'm just gonna add the cute little XO tattoo, fake tattoo, faux tattoo with a Tarte liquid liner, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. I hope that you guys liked this cute little simple look that we got here. If you try out this look, make sure to tag me so that I can see it. Okay? Okay. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of my face, and check out all of my other videos on the side. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.